Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel without butter. This method relies on just sugar and water, creating a pure, rich flavor. We'll cover everything from selecting the right pan to achieving that perfect amber hue. It's simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly versatile for desserts or toppings. Get ready to master a fundamental candy-making technique that will impress everyone. Let's dive into the sweet science of butterless caramel. Once your sugar and water are combined, heat them gently. The key here is patience. Let the sugar dissolve fully before increasing the heat. This initial step is crucial for a smooth caramel. Resist the urge to stir once it starts boiling, as this can cause crystallization. Just let the mixture do its thing, transforming from a clear syrup into something truly magical. Watch for those tiny bubbles to signal the start of the caramelization process. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet tips. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making this caramel. You can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting timers or playing music hands-free. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. As your sugar syrup boils, you'll notice it begin to change color. It will progress from clear to a pale yellow, then a beautiful golden amber. This is where your attention is vital. Swirl the pan gently to distribute the heat evenly. Once it reaches that perfect deep amber, remove it from the heat right away. Overcooking can lead to a bitter taste, so timing is everything for delicious, butterless caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.